See the people. I come and see a pumpkin. Yeah, I got them thing I'm loving up. I come and find see all a pumpkin. I left 3 years so. Man have to eat, you know. Yeah, man, we are work, man. Give thanks. Well, see your next one, your family. And it look like it ready. Yeah. You see it? Yeah. So I don't know if you drop off my vine. See it there? Oh, it's still a go on melt. I'll leave it for you there, so the vine are rotten down. Mad. Me get that one pumpkin in idea, yeah. 2 me see. Me they have some over here, so. And it appears, say. Then this chain pull up the pumpkin vine. Them not just pick a pumpkin, you know. Then you take away the pumpkin vine, my people. But we not complain, make forward and get to. And last night with a look, I never see none. So, that is even more than I expected. Here we have a beautiful, beautiful broad bean tree. You understand, people? This is some broad bean that I think I brought from America. I think, but I'm not sure. Because my cousin have broad beans also, and me plant everything what me see. So I don't know if a film bean me plant or not. But I'm living while I'm living. And it's thanks I'll be giving. Me can see it. So the thing I get better and better. Over here so now, I guess Eggy or whoever, them still have tied the animal right next to the man's grave. And I'm going to let go the animal every time I see it. You see? Right now, things getting better. You see the grass is growing up to the actual building. And once I get there, ooh, another pumpkin right there. I get there. So, me have 2 pumpkin in the making. 2 pumpkin that I could count on while I'm here. You are gone. Tea. Yes. That's guarantee. You understand? So, my cousin told me one was supposed to be somewhere here. Ooh la la la. There it is. It's the pumpkin. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, is it? Yeah. Farming from evening till the morning, my family, is a great thing. Beautiful strategy. Yeah. Great thing, great thing. Evening till the morning.